very quick March 2nd garden tour. We have peppers that have had, I think, 100% germination, 2 in each cell, with the exception of the bottom right where I had one last seed and it did sprout. So hopefully I can save seed from that Scotch bonnet. But these are shishitos and jalapenos. Over here, we have all the ground cherries have sprouted. Looks like most of the Martins Romanos. We have at least one of the chocolate Scotch bonnets and one of my Baker Creek Scotch bonnets. It's still kind of early for hot peppers to sprout, so I'm still hopeful for the ones that haven't. So again, we have the hot Scotch bonnets sprouted. Still none of these yellow saved ones that I had. And these are also saved from my garden, but I do see one peeking out. Now, in the back, you can see some tomatoes. We have a Golden Jubilee, Arkansas Traveler, Orange Accordion, and Thornburns Terracotta. Today, this was the most exciting thing, were my sweet potato slips from a Japanese, 2 types of Japanese sweet potatoes, so that's gonna be fun. Down on this level, we have a couple more basils, hoping for more. Also in the front row, we have the Black Beauty eggplants here, and the Super Seed Cherry 100. I probably should have waited until April to start those. They grow really fast. Over here, we have 2 types of micro dwarf tomatoes, which look amazing. I thought about thinning those, but I think I'm just gonna split them because they're pretty rare seed. Now over here, we have the other micro tomatoes, which also look good and healthy. Towards the back, you can see stevia and a parsley trying to peek out. If I can back this out a little bit, you can also see my dill. No Thai basil yet, but we do have some thyme and lemongrass. And also in that back row, we have Alessia sweet pepper, which apparently is the sweetest pepper out there, as well as Jimmy Nardello's. Now, this particular layer, or level I should say, are brand new seeds from today. There we go. We have a couple Sugar Daddy peas, Lillian caseloads, Sugar Bonds, which is a dwarf variety, and then flowers. We have Shasta daisies. Oh, let's see if I can do this. Shasta daisies, Sweet Williams, and lots of marigolds, and an Alaska mix of nasturtium. I wasn't going to plant nasturtium, but I think I'm going to try to use them as borders. And then below, we have my fava beans that look great. Onions look good. Lettuces, Mizuna, kale, and collard. So this level I put out today to be outside in the weather, because I'm hoping I can maybe plant them in the deck planters this weekend or early next week. And then up here, I don't know if you remember the coleus that I had rooting similar to this last one, but I planted 8 of them into cells, large cells, and hopefully this turns out well. Coleus is so pretty in the summer. And then the figs look great. This parsley has really taken off. Been growing it for a while, but it just really is taken off. And then in the back, you have my fig rootings. The one that I had is a Chicago fig, Chicago Hardy, and the one right behind it, if you can see it there, is from a rooting from the fig plant Connie gave me, of which I have put in a spot already. So I'm excited. And that is the current garden update of Seed Starts.